Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So another unboxing na naman. Still from Shopee. So ito yung kanyang parcel. Nakabalot pa siya guys. Oh, let's open. Tanan, tanan, tanan. Ayan, dumating na siya guys. So napakalaki niya guys. Alam niyo ba guys kung magkano lang ito? Nabili ko ito for 100 plus. Okay? So napakalaki na niya. 1,000 ml. Ito po ay milk and rice baby bath. So ito po yung gusto kong itry for my baby. Then, also I bought this Dove conditioner kasi yung hair ko medyo hindi nahiyang sa shampoo na ginagamit ko at saka yung conditioner. So, bumili ako ng pair na shampoo at saka conditioner. So, Dove yung pinili ko, guys. By the way, guys, this video is not sponsored. So, I just want to try kung hiyang ba ako sa Dove. Okay? So, ito po yung shampoo. Ito po yung conditioner. At saka, ito rin yung for baby bath. Okay? Ayan. So far, guys, walang damage. Yung expiration niya is 2027 pa. So, yes, mura siya. At the same time, guaranteed yung kanyang expiration. Kasi napakatagal pa. Ito rin, yes, 2027 pa siya guys. Walang damage at saka hindi pa natanggal yung kanyang pagkapak, okay? So ito po yung order ko guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!